Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and for a second day in a row, Outlook has problems. It's off and on since pretty much all day today. As soon as the Twitter info says that it's back, an hour later it says that it's not back. So Microsoft says that it's actually looking into it. They say that it's a technical issue that's causing the outage, and that they're trying to fix it. So apparently it actually will hit more people that are using the mobile app, but you can get an error like 503. You can get an error that says your request can't be completed right now, retry, sending, receiving. And so it's off and on. It could work at one time that you're using Outlook, and the next minute it could stop working. So this is kind of an interesting issue here that they're having a hard time. And at the same time, there's something interesting because there's a group that's claiming that they're behind the problems. There's a group that claims that they're doing a distributed denial of service attack, which basically means that they are overloading the Outlook and the Microsoft services with requests to have them either slow down or just stop responding. So the group behind it is known as Anonymous Sudan, and is apparently claiming to be behind the attacks to protest the U.S. getting involved in Sudanese internal affairs. And so they say that they are targeting any U.S. company we want, and that right now they're targeting Microsoft. So this is kind of interesting. And this is, I don't know. So basically, is that the case? Is it just Microsoft having technical issues, or Microsoft just not wanting to give popularity to whoever is behind the attacks, if that is the case? So anyways, if you're off and on once again today with the Outlook email, seems to be that it's off and on. I haven't had too much problems, but I have noticed that at times my emails seem to not come through, and then suddenly they come in big bunches of emails. So definitely probably something happening. So once again, it's not you, it's Microsoft. Don't touch anything or try to fix anything. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.